Calendly Booking Platform Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to our review of Calendly, the booking platform designed to simplify scheduling and appointment management for professionals and businesses. Links to explore Calendly and its features are included in the description below. Calendly is an efficient tool created for individuals, teams, and organizations looking to streamline the appointment process, whether for client meetings, consultations, or internal scheduling. One of Calendly's standout features is its user-friendly interface. With just a few clicks, users can set their availability, allowing clients or colleagues to book appointments without the back and forth of emails. It syncs with your calendar, Google, Outlook, iCloud, etc., to ensure there are no double bookings, and offers flexible scheduling options such as one-on-one meetings, group sessions, and recurring events. This makes it ideal for freelancers, consultants, sales professionals, and even larger teams. Calendly also excels in customization. You can set different types of events, such as meetings, interviews, or calls, and assign unique settings for each. The platform allows you to configure buffer times between meetings, set working hours, and add personalized questions for clients to answer during the booking process. Additionally, you can integrate Calendly with other tools like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Salesforce, adding even more convenience for virtual meetings and CRM management. For team scheduling, Calendly offers powerful features like round-robin assignment and collective scheduling. These options make it easy for teams to manage group meetings or delegate appointments automatically based on availability, reducing administrative burden. The mobile app extends the platform's flexibility, enabling users to schedule, reschedule, or cancel appointments on the go. Notifications and reminders help clients and colleagues stay on top of their meetings, ensuring a smooth experience for everyone involved. In summary, Calendly is the perfect solution for anyone looking to eliminate scheduling headaches. Its simplicity, flexibility, and powerful integrations make it a top choice for professionals and teams. Check the links in the description to explore Calendly and start optimizing your scheduling today.